In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Honeychrome extension. Maybe you've had a change of heart or simply want to manage your browser's extensions a little better. Whatever the reason, it's a quick and simple task, and I'll guide you through it step by step. To start, open up your preferred web browser. You'll want to use Google Chrome for this particular task, since that's where the Honey extension resides. Once your browser is open and ready, navigate to the search bar. Here, you will type in Chrome Web Store. This is the central hub for all Chrome extensions, and it's where you'll find your next destination. After hitting Enter, look out for the first search result or any link that displays the URL chromewebstore.google.com. This URL indicates you've found the correct link, and this is where you'll want to click. Once you've arrived at the Chrome Web Store's homepage, it's time to access your installed extensions. Take a moment to locate the icon that matches your initials, usually found in the top right corner of the browser. Next to it, you should see a three-dot menu icon. This button will open up a list of options for managing your browser's settings and functionalities. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select My Extensions and Themes. Once you click on My Extensions and Themes, you'll be greeted by a page displaying all the extensions that you've added to your browser. It might look like a long list, so don't hesitate to scroll if you need to. Your task now is to find the Honey extension among them. Take your time to spot the familiar Honey logo, and when you do, you'll see an option labeled Remove right next to it. Click the Remove button, and Chrome will then prompt you with a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure about this decision. It's perfectly normal to have second thoughts, but if you're determined to proceed, simply select Confirm or Delete. Either option will set the removal in motion. And there you have it. Honey will be uninstalled from your browser, liberating you from all those automatic coupon notifications. Remember, you can always head back to the Chrome Web Store to reinstall Honey or any other extensions if you change your mind later on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tutorials that make your digital life more manageable. See you in the next video.